Today we will look into wheezing. When I was about 10 years old, for performing a science experiment, we went from our school to another school. They call it as Prayoga class. During the science experiment, the science teacher, he kept a beaker on top of a table and he was trying to explain something. There were about 40 students sitting around him and they were keenly watching what he was trying to do. I was standing behind and there was water coming from my eyes and nose. I really don't know what was the problem. So I went to my home and I told my father there is water coming from my eyes and nose. He took me to a MBBS doctor in our hometown. He checked me thoroughly and he gave me some medicines. I took the medicines for about 1 week. That cold, cough, that problem I got cured. But the same problem kept coming again and again every year. We used to go to that same doctor. He said, Narayanan, I will send you to a ENT doctor, ear, nose, throat specialist. So we went to the ENT doctor. He checked me thoroughly and he did some tests. He said, Narayanan, you have wheezing problem. In India, the pollution level is very high. That's why you are getting the wheezing problem. If you go to America, the pollution level is very low, so you won't get the wheezing problem. So I was about 13 years old that time, but I really did not understand what he was trying to say. So we went to the same doctor for a couple of years. Then we went to another doctor. Can you guess which doctor we went? Yeah. So the water was coming from my eyes, no? So hence my father, he took me to a eye doctor. So he checked me thoroughly and there was no power in my eyes, but he put specs for me. Even today, I really did not understand why he has put specs for me. And in the school, everybody used to tease me saying 4 eyes like that. After my school, I came to Chennai. I was in a college. In my college, the classroom is in the 3rd floor and every day I have to climb 40 steps. So if the class time is very late, I have to keep running and go to the class. When I run, no, my breathing will be very heavy. It will be something like that. So when I'm late to the class, I get into the classroom, I go to the last row and sit there for half an hour. Then only my breath will settle down. One of my classmates, he was looking at it and he said, Narayanan, there is a very good doctor next to our college itself. If you go to him, he will cure your wheezing problem. I went to the doctor and he taught me a breathing technique, and in a packet he gave some powder. He asked me to take it for 1 month. I took it for 1 month and the breathing problem, that wheezing problem got cured. But the same problem kept coming again and again every year. So I went to the doctor for a couple of years. So after my college, I got a job in a company. So in the company, one of my colleagues, he was looking at my wheezing problem. He said, Narayanan, if you take medicines and for wheezing, you have to take it for lifetime. But if you do yoga, your problem will be cured completely. That's what he said. So next, I did something. Can you guess what I did? Yeah, in a newspaper, if there is a small advertisement saying yoga, I immediately register for it and then go and sit in the front row and learn whatever they teach. So it's been going on like this. And I think it was in 2005, Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar, he came to Chennai and he gave a talk in Pachepas College. I went to the talk, I listened to his speech for about half an hour. The speech was so mesmerizing and it was magical. That day itself I decided, if I have to learn yoga, I will learn it only from Art of Living. In the next week itself, in a newspaper, I saw a small advertisement. In that Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar's photo and Art of Living Emblem, uh, basic course, intro talk, 7-day program. I saw all that, and then I went for the intro talk. I did the 7-day program. They taught me yoga, pranayama, and Sudarshana Kriya. And I did that for 3 months regularly. And after the 3 months, I got a doubt about the technique. See, I have been having wheezing for about 20 years, and I consulted with MBBS doctor, ENT specialist, eye specialist, MD, all the doctors. And if they cannot cure the wheezing problem, how come this yoga can cure the wheezing problem? That's the doubt I got. Hence, I stopped the breathing, breathing technique, practicing the breathing technique. Then in 2007, I got a job in California. So in the first year itself, I got the wheezing problem. So during the lunch time, I was discussing with my boss that in India, one doctor told me that if you go to US, you won't get wheezing problem. But in the first year itself, I got the wheezing problem. So my boss, he immediately took me to his cube and opened his drawer, and he was having some medicines and inhaler. He said, Narayanan, I have been living in the US for about 40 years and I have wheezing problem for 30 years. So that time only something struck me. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, wherever we go, we carry our shadow with us. Wherever we go, we have to carry our lungs with us. So that time only I did some research on the wheezing problem. In our lungs, we have something called bronchial tubes. If the bronchial tubes are very narrow, and if there is any blockage in the bronchial tubes, then also we will get the wheezing problem. And one more thing is, the bronchial tubes, if you take out the bronchial tubes and spread it out, the surface area of the bronchial tubes. Can anybody guess what is the surface area of the bronchial tubes? 10 square feet? No. 50 square feet? No. 70 square feet? No. The surface area of the bronchial tubes is that of a tennis court. It is so big, the bronchial tubes. And our lungs, it intakes and processes 10,000 liters of air every day. That much job it does. And the toxins from our body, the stool, urine, sweat, it is only 10%. 90% of the toxins from our body is removed through our lungs. So the lungs, it plays a very, very, very vital role in removing toxins from our body. That time only something struck me. Can you guess what it is? Yeah, that's right. See, I did the Art of Living basic course 3 years back. I stopped that breathing technique. I wasted 3 years of my life. So again in 2008 in California Bay Area, I searched for the Art of Living Center in Google. I found a center, I went there. I told them that I already did the basic course. So they said you should now stop the breathing technique in 3 months. So you should have at least done it for 2 to 3 years. Once again I did the basic course for 6 days, and then I practiced the yoga, pranayama and Sudarshana Kriya regularly for 3 years, 2008, 9 and 10. And you won't believe me, a miracle has happened in my life in 2010. In 2010, for the first time in my life, I did not get the wheezing problem. See, I have been having wheezing problem for the past 25 years. Suddenly the wheezing problem has disappeared from my life. So this is like, I'll just give you an analogy. See, somebody is having a knee pain for about 10 years continuously, and suddenly the knee pain has disappeared. How the person will feel, what he will do? he will be in total ecstasy and bliss. No, what the person will do, what he will say, he will say something like, my knee pain has disappeared, my knee pain has disappeared, my knee pain has disappeared. Like that he will jump out, yeah, like a bubbling ball of bliss. No, that was my experience. It could not be explained in words. So in your life, if you have wheezing problem, and if you do yoga, pranayama and Sudarshana Kriya regularly, your wheezing problem will be completely cured. This is my life experience. Now I think you have watched nearly 10 minutes of this video, more than 10 minutes of this video, and we are coming to a very important point. And if you have wheezing problem, and if you are from the age of 8 to 13, in Art of Living you can do Utkarsha Yoga. It's also called as Art Excel. If you are from 14 to 18, then you can do Medha Yoga. It's also called as S program. If you are above 18 years old, then you can do Happiness program, or you can learn yoga, pranayama and kriya from a professionally trained yoga teacher. So I was teaching this happiness program. One lady asked me, my daughter is 5 years old, sir, and she is having wheezing problem. Can we do something about it? So 5 years old, she may not be able to do yoga. For 5 years old, after consulting with your doctor, you may have to take medicines or inhaler. And also for senior citizens, those who are above 65 and 70, for them also, if they have wheezing problem, after consulting with your doctor, you may have to take medicines or inhaler. And if there is an emergency situation, somebody is having a lot of breathing trouble, during that time also you have to consult with your doctor. And yoga is a long-term solution. So today we have seen the solution for wheezing problem based on my life experience. Hope this video is very useful to you. I also would like to thank my daughter who has recorded this video patiently. Thank you.